us here at St John, it's about being there for the people in the Northern Territory when they need us. Our highly skilled ambulance paramedics and patient transport crews are there in emergencies. They're dedicated to helping people in sickness, distress, suffering or danger.
I'm here at the headquarters of St John Ambulance, Northern Territory at Casuarina Ambulance Station. Behind me is the Critical Response Unit car. The role of the Critical Response Unit is to attend any major incidents, any motor vehicle crashes or any medical emergencies that occur within the Northern Territory. As part of the Critical Response Unit, we carry a monitor defibrillator where we can actually see what's happening with someone's heart. We can do a 12-lead ECG at the same time. We carry trauma equipment, advanced airway and oxygen and medications. Also, as part of our equipment, we carry a fridge with chilled fluids and medications, and also we can further specialise in the fact that we've got advanced paediatric equipment, airway equipment, and of course a trauma and burns kit as well. This is a standard emergency ambulance we use here in St John Ambulance NT. They're based in Darwin, Palmerston and the rural area, also Katherine, Tennant Creek, Gove and Alice Springs. They're a single berth ambulance with an electric stretcher in the back, and I'll show you more as we get in the back of the car. This is the electric stretcher. It allows us to load patients easily and quickly in an emergency situation. All ambulances are configured the same. They carry the same standardised equipment, the monitor defibrillator and all the other equipment you can see on the side there. The current monitor defibrillator that we use can shock a patient, can monitor, can do a 12-lead ECG, monitor the patient's blood pressure, end-tidal carbon dioxide and oxygen saturations. So within the emergency ambulance, we have an airway wall unit where we can maintain the patient's airway whilst we're in the vehicle. We also carry a bag valve mask where we can ventilate or do assistant ventilations on patients if required.
At St John, we sell and restock first aid kits and cater for all of your first aid needs. All of the money raised from these activities goes straight back into the volunteers and cadets. More than 500 St John volunteers provide more than 42,000 hours of first aid services across the Territory every year. They're there at more than 900 community events.
Hi, I'm Scott. I'm with St John Ambulance here at Base in the Grass for 2019. It's fantastic to be here for assistance and support to the public. With St John Volunteer, we get to attend over 900 odd events across the Territory every year, and it's really rewarding to give back to the community and put out a good presence for St John amongst the community here in the Territory as well.
Hi, my name's Narelle. I've been with St John for about nearly 4 years. The best part about volunteering is I get to learn, get to see all these awesome events that happen, and the best of all, get to make some really good mates, and yeah, it's one of the best things I've done in a long, long time.
Our mechanical workshops in Alice Springs and Darwin build new ambulances and vehicles for medical providers all over the Territory. Our mechanics also service and repair vehicles for the general public. St John First Aid trainers teach important first aid and CPR skills to 10,000 people across the Territory, even in the remotest of locations, every year.
So what we've been doing out here today is basically conducting a CPR course, the very basics when it comes to first aid, for two reasons. First of all, perhaps these guys can go off and gain employment and they will require this certification, but at the very least they'll have the skills necessary to be able to preserve life, save their families or friends, somebody close to them. That's what we're really after in the end.
Since 2012, our community education team has taught life-saving first aid skills to more than 70,000 school students in the Northern Territory for free.
The way CPR works and why it is so important is when we push down on someone's chest, it's going to squeeze their heart, which is exactly what we need it to do.
It's an incredible job. I'm never in the same place twice. Every day I get to go to my workplace, jump in an ambulance and visit different people from all across the territory and teach people how to save lives. It's a really incredible experience.
So the program's been run since 2012. And over the years what we do is we go out to as many communities as we can, we go to as many schools as we can, whenever we're invited. So we've taught at parents groups, we've taught at schools, at kindies, at preschools, and we get to teach the potentially life-saving skills of first aid, including CPR, including what to do with snake bites and burns and blood noses and simple things, but they often are the first response. Once the first response is first aid, then we can call 000, and then the amazing people that are paramedics can come and help us out.
In our 000 call centres, St John Emergency Medical Dispatchers answer 60,000 000 calls every year. They provide crucial first aid instructions to callers and they dispatch paramedics to your emergencies.
St John NT is a not-for-profit organisation. We value integrity, acting honestly and reliably when delivering our services. We respect ourselves, our colleagues, our members and all the people we support. We provide the highest quality service delivery, training, development and clinical standards. We're dedicated to commitment, enthusiasm and loyalty, protecting our people, our patients and the environment. Above all, we value compassion, caring about all members of the Northern Territory community. At St John NT, we're here for you.
We're here for you.